How to become a business analyst, step-by-step guide. If you enjoy solving challenging business problems and have strong analytical skills, think about a career in business analyst career path. If you enjoy data-driven work, taking this path can lead to exciting opportunities that will help you build a fulfilling career.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Business analysts help companies achieve their goals by connecting business ideas with technical solutions. This comprehensive guide for aspiring business analysts in 2023 outlines how to become a business analyst and the essential steps involved. It covers the role, educational prerequisites, the significance of accumulating experience, necessary skills, and the importance of staying current with industry developments. Whether you're a recent graduate or considering a career transition, this article will boost your initiation into the field of business analysis. How to become a business analyst in 9 steps. Business analysts are in high demand across many industries because they are essential in bridging the gap between business objectives and technological solutions. We've illustrated 9 main steps you should take to become a business analyst. Step 1. Understanding the role. Before diving into the world of business analysis, it's crucial to understand what this role entails. Business analysts bridge the gap between business goals and technology solutions, which is a fundamental aspect of how to become a business analyst. They collaborate extensively with key stakeholders to pinpoint business requirements, collect essential information, and craft efficient solutions. To thrive in this position, you should possess robust communication capabilities, adept critical thinking skills, and a profound comprehension of both organizational workflows and information technology systems. Step 2. Educational requirements. While formal business training isn't always a strict requirement, obtaining a bachelor's degree can significantly enhance your prospects in this industry, guiding you on how to become a business analyst. Typical qualifications to become a business analyst encompass degrees in business administration, economics, information technology, or computer science. Additionally, pursuing certifications in business analysis like CBAP, ECBA, and CCBA can demonstrate your commitment and knowledge to potential employers. Platforms like Sprintzeal offers specialized training programs for business analysts, including Certified Business Analysis Professional (CBAP) and Certification of Capability in Business Analysis (CCBA), which can enhance your qualifications and provide you with a competitive edge in the field. These certifications demonstrate your commitment to excellence and your dedication to becoming a top-notch business analyst. Step 3. Gaining practical experience. Gaining practical experience is essential for how to become a business analyst. Look for internships, part-time roles, or volunteer work tied to business analysis, even if they are not compulsorily asked for. Any exposure to data analysis, problem solving, or project management is valuable. This hands-on practice not only hones your skills but also establishes a robust career foundation. Step 4. Essential business analysis skills. Successful business analysts possess a diverse set of business analyst skills, including analytical skills. The ability to analyze data, identify trends, and make informed recommendations is at the core of business analysis. Communication skills. Business analysts must communicate effectively with stakeholders, translating technical jargon into plain language. Problem solving. The capacity to identify and solve complex business problems is a key skill in this role. Critical thinking. Being able to evaluate information objectively and make sound decisions is crucial. Technical proficiency. Familiarity with data analysis tools, project management software, and business intelligence tools is advantageous. Step 5. Business analysis methodologies. Business analysis methodologies like Agile, Scrum, and waterfall should be thoroughly practiced if you want to do well as a business analyst. The approach adaptable to different solving business problems differs depending on the method, and B methodologies will make you a flexible and in-demand professional. Step 6. Tools of the trade. Business analysts commonly use a variety of equipment and programs to enable their work. Learn how to become a business analyst and use software like Microsoft Excel, Jira, Trello, and tools for data visualization such as Tableau or Power BI. These tools can significantly enhance your productivity and effectiveness in the role. Step 7. Job search and career development. Once you have acquired the necessary skills and knowledge on how to become a business analyst, it's time to embark on your job search. Create a compelling resume and LinkedIn profile showcasing your experience and certifications. Consider joining a professional organization like the International Institute of Business Analysis, IIBA, network with other professionals in the field, and go to industry events. You can advance your career and find new job opportunities by using these steps. Step 8. Advancing your career. After gaining some experience as a business analyst and understanding how to become a business analyst, you may want to explore opportunities for advancement. This could involve taking on more complex projects, leading teams, or specializing in a specific industry or domain. Continuously seek opportunities for professional development and consider pursuing advanced certifications to demonstrate your expertise. Step 9. Staying current in the field. Learning how to become a business analyst is a journey of continuous evolution. The field of business analysis is constantly evolving, with new tools and techniques emerging regularly. To stay competitive, make a habit of staying updated on industry trends, attending conferences, and participating in ongoing training and development. Continuous learning will keep your skills sharp and your career prospects bright.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.